The DECOKTOOL Electric Pressure Washer delivers exceptional cleaning power with its impressive 4,800 pounds per square inch water pressure and 3 gallons per minute flow rate, making it ideal for tackling stubborn dirt on various surfaces. Equipped with a 20-foot hose and a 35-foot power cord, this pressure washer offers great flexibility and ease of movement, allowing for a wide cleaning range without frequent repositioning. The pressure washer includes 4 quick connect nozzles and a foam cannon, enabling users to customize their cleaning approach for different tasks, from intense cleaning to gentle rinsing. Designed for convenience, the pressure washer features detachable handles and wheels, making it simple to transport and store, while integrated storage compartments keep accessories organized. This versatile pressure washer is perfect for a wide array of cleaning applications, including decks, patios, vehicles, and more, ensuring a thorough clean every time. DECOKTOOL prioritizes customer satisfaction by continuously refining their products and offering responsive customer service to address any questions or feedback.